Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, and y'all, I got myself so confused. I had, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 packages from Amazon. And I knew I had a prime wardrobe coming, and I had gotten most of that. I actually think I'm missing a piece now. I've been looking at it. I'm not sure. I have to go back and look at that again. And I knew I had a try before you buy, which, they've changed the names on me, y'all. And you know, anything makes me so confused. So prime wardrobe is now try before you buy. And then you have prime personal shopper. So I had both of those coming. So I was so confused. And then I had also, I've got a blazer haul coming, which part of it's not going to get here until November. So I'm probably just going to film part of it and then just be a 2-part series that, you know, you see one now and see one next month. And I also had this Halloween cardi coming, which I thought was super cute. And, you know, been trying to deck out a little bit for the Halloween season. I wish I had this, or I had thought about this when I put this outfit on today, because I wasn't sure about this plaid on top of my spider shirt. But y'all, look at this cute little cardi. Okay, I paid $25.99. This is the Woman Halloween Cat Pumpkin Cardigan Long Sleeve Open Front Knit Outerwear Cat Knit Outerwear Coat Plus Size Knitted Sweater Top Beige Extra Large. Whew. Man, their names are mouthful. But look how adorable this is. I mean, y'all, it's got kitty cats and bats and pumpkins, and it says trick or treat, long sleeve, lightweight, just adorable. So I'll try this on for y'all in a little while, but how cute is this? Just a little, you know, spread the happy without going overboard like I do with my big old funky hats and my spider makeup. First time I ever tried it, y'all. I know it's a mess, but who cares? It's fun. So, what did I say? $25.99. $26. Alright, so I'll try that on for you. I'll see you back in a sec. Alright, so this is the outfit of the day. I got this vest at Maurices last year. It looks a little big on me. A little bulky, but I just needed something honestly to put over this shirt I got from Walmart, y'all. It came flawed. All right, like I was saying, it has these spots on it, so I just had to cover them up because it would drive me crazy if I could see them all day. Anyway, these pants are Angel. I got them from Amazon, and the shoes I also got from Amazon. They're Skechers, I believe. I think they're Skechers. This necklace, I can't even remember where I got it. Look, y'all, it's a snake. I wrapped a snake around my neck. Can you believe it? Earrings I got from mintMONGOOSE. And this I got from Amazon a long time ago. There's, it's actually a long necklace. There's freshwater pearls. And I just like to wrap it around and use it as a bracelet sometimes. All right, well, let me try the first thing on for you. So this is what I should have been wearing to cover that up. This is cute. I love it's got kitties and pumpkins on it. It does match my shirt. It's very Halloween, very just if you want to have a little bit of the spirit, but you don't want to go all out for a costume. Very cute. Just, it doesn't have pockets, that's a downside, but it's adorable. Look how cute it is. I will link it below if you want to go check it out. And I'll see you back in a second. Alright, I am back and I'm tired now and hot. Y'all, it's like 68 in here. It's 69 out there and I'm hot. Okay. Recap. Yes, I love this. I think it's adorable. I am gonna keep it. It's just too stinking cute. Just adorable. All right, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, save, and press the notification bell. Y'all have a happy Halloween. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.